Hi guys, I'm Darren, and in this video I'm going to show you how to organise your models within ETHOS. So this video comes because of a request, and they basically asked how we can organise our models on the ETHOS operating system. So let's jump over and take a look. Alright, so we're here at the home screen of ETHOS. Now, when I was asked about this video, it was actually a fair while ago, and you used to have to do this all through the PC. But thankfully it's much easier now, and you only need to do it on your transmitter. So the thing to do is go into the model menu, and we're going to go to model select. And this is basically where we're going to do everything. So you can see across the top, we have some categories. So on mine, I have quads, simulators, testing, uncategorized, but you can have fixed wing gliders, jets, whatever you want. And to add more categories, all you need to do is click this little plus button here. So we're going to click on that and we'll give it a name. So let's call it turbines, because we can all dream, can't we? So we OK that. So now we have this new turbines category. Now what we can do is create our new model in here. So now we've created our model, we've set everything up, we're already organized with this one. If we go model select, we're in the turbines. But what if we'd previously created a model that we now wanted to put in a category, or maybe, for example, all your models are in one category and you want to organize them? So let's have a look in uncategorized and see what we have in here. So we have this model called test, and all I'm going to do is click on it, and I'm going to go to change folder, and this will let you put it in whichever folder you want. So now we're in the turbines category, and we have our F22 that we just created, and we have our test. This is basically it for organizing your models. You just select what you want to move and move it. You can add new models in an existing category with a big button, or you can use the small button to add more categories. What if we decided, well, actually, I don't fly turbines anymore. So what we'll do, I'm going to firstly move the test model back into the testing folder, which it moves you to. We'll go into turbines. So because we want to remove our turbines folder, the first thing that we need to do is delete this F22 model. Now the first thing to do is make sure that it's not the selected model. It isn't, because there's no checkbox. Now we can go in and just delete the model. Are you sure? Yes. So now our turbines folder is empty. What we can do is click on the turbines folder and click again, and we get the option to either rename it or delete it. I don't have any more turbines. I'm just going to delete it. So now you can see that we're back in our testing category, and we also still have the folders that we had to begin with, except for the unlisted, which I believe is actually a system folder. So if you have created models that aren't in a folder, you'll have the unlisted category, but it's not actually a generated category. Once you move all your models out of there, it will disappear. But it's better to organize the folders in named folders that you actually want. So there you go, guys. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up and click the subscribe and bell icon. That will help get this video out to more people so they can learn how to do this too. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Fly models like you stole them. I'll see you on the next one.